How to send disappearing messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send disappearing messages on Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Messenger application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account on your Messenger. Now on this chat section, you can select any one of the chat where you want to send the disappearing messages on. After that, once you open it, tap on the I button at top right corner of the screen. On this section, you will see different kinds of options. Scroll down. Now select disappearing messages under privacy and support. And here, you have to tap 24 hours. Now, messages will disappear after the selected duration. If someone takes a screenshot or a screen recording, a notification will appear in the chat. If you would like to turn it off, you can tap on the off button back and messages may disappear 2 hours after they are seen for people on certain older version of Messenger. So let's tap on the message at the bottom of the screen and type in any message. And now you can see that we have sent a disappearing messages on Messenger. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.